now. Got a car in the driveway. It's supposed to be vacant. Got some stuff in there. See a cooler. We're just gonna make a key for this and not go in. I believe let's use this guy, and we'll just let you. I don't really want to open the door if I don't have to. Oh, I forgot my lubricant. Okay. And let's decode this real quick, just in case the spin fails. So we got 5, 5, 5. What was that? 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, and 6. 5, 5, 4, 4, 6. Alright. I know that picked really easy and we could really decode it right now and just make a key for it, but I'm not going to take the time to do that. And we're going to go in. Oop, wrong way. Nope, wrong way. Other wrong way. Nope, not strong enough. Oh, so yeah, just gotta be careful. 5, 5, 4, 4, 6. There we go. Get a key for it, but I'm gonna rekey it because honestly it's just one door anyway. Hello, locksmith. Y'all ever see that video of going up the stairs and there's booby traps? I got a lot of rehab to do. It's about as far as I want to go. And they, right, living in this, but they got that flat screen. So, yep, already key it. It's just as easy. Just as easy to rekey it since it's just one doorknob. And bring a screw. Okay. Alright, I'm going to keep the pick kit with me because I got to go to another one right after this. Do I have any quick set? Set up keys. Hey, what's going on? Hey, what? Oh, that was a mistake. See, these we're going to get recut. We can just use them. Nope. 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 Just go with that one. Yeah, we need to get another screw. Oh no, that's one problem with quickset. So getting that clip off when you've already picked it. If you move it almost all the way, you can get it, but it's you gotta be careful not to unpick it. Of course, it won't take long to re-pick it or shim it, which is what I would do if it accidentally fell in. Okay. This is 24635. 24635. 2, 4, 6, 3, 5. I don't know why customer don't want me to rekey both doors, but it is what it is. Alright, so that was that way. I'll put it in right side up. There we go. Grab out my screws, which would be not that one, not that one. That would be one of these guys right here. Do I have any? Boy, I really need to restock the quick set screws in here. We'll just use this copper one. Okay, I got a bunch of them. Check to make sure there wasn't a broken screw in there first. are garage doors. There's a regular door right there, though. Windows busted out here. Yeah. Complete renovation. Alright, well, so that's it. Pretty short vacant. On to the next one. That's a business.